Welcome back to CoinXplore, the place where we uncover the hidden stories and true values behind coins from around the world. Today, we're diving into a small but fascinating coin, the Oman 10 Baisa from 2008, and investigating a wild claim that it's worth $4,555. Stick around because the truth might surprise you. Imagine finding an ordinary circulation coin that's worth thousands of dollars. That's exactly what some people online are saying about the Omani 10 Baisa 2008 coin. But is that real or just a collector myth? By the end of this video, you'll know what this coin really is, its actual market value, why some people think it's so valuable, how to tell real rarity versus internet hype. First, let's break down what this coin actually is. The 10 Baisa coin is a small circulating denomination from the Sultanate of Oman, part of their everyday currency system, where 100 Baisa equals 1 Omani Rial. This specific coin was issued in 2008, which corresponds to the Hijri year 1429, shown on the coin in Arabic script. Here are its basic specs. Denomination: 10 Baisir, 2008/1429 AH metal. Copper-clad steel, lightweight, weight 4.04 grams diameter, 22.5 mm design. Features the coat of arms of Oman on the obverse and the denomination plus date on the reverse. This was a circulation coin, meaning it was made for regular, everyday use in Oman, not a special commemorative or proof issue. Now let's talk value. Some listings online and community posts suggest astronomical values, even figures like $4,555 floating around. But here's what the reliable numismatic price guides show. According to collectors and online price databases, a 2008 Oman 10 Baisa in uncirculated condition might be around 60 cents to $1 USD. In typical circulated condition, most sell for pennies to $1 or $2 on online marketplaces. These prices are based on actual sale records, real coins changing hands online, not fancy speculation. Why isn't this coin worth thousands? Coins that fetch huge prices typically have one of the following: extremely low mintage numbers errors, like missing dates or double dies, historical significance or famous provenance rare variations, or pattern coins. The Oman 2008 10 Baisa was not a rare limited issue. Millions were minted for everyday use. So it's actually fairly common in collector circles. Oh, where did the $4,555 idea come from? Often, internet value claims come from misunderstanding or scams, sellers boosting prices to attract attention, or automated listing algorithms that suggest high values based on rare coins in general. But not this specific one. Sometimes collectors see a rare error coin with a high price and assume all coins from that country or year are valuable. But that's just not true before believing any crazy price. Always ask, is the coin authenticated? Is there a graded certification? Are there real sales at that price? Without concrete sales history at high prices, values of thousands just aren't justified. If you're just getting into coin collecting, here are some useful tips. Condition matters. Coins in mint or uncirculated condition are worth more than worn ones. Certification: a grading by PCGS/NGC can add credibility, but not always value. Research listings versus sales. Look for completed sales, not listed prices. Avoid hype. Common coins sometimes get described as rare for attention that if you find a truly unique variation. Now that's exciting, but always verify first. The Oman 10 Baisa 2008 is a legitimate circulation coin. Its real market value is around 50 cents to $1, not thousands. Claims of $4,555 are most likely myths or misinterpretations. World Coins Catalog: if you own one of these coins, congratulations, it's a cool piece of world currency history. But unless it has a verified error or special provenance, don't expect a fortune from it. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button and subscribe for more coin discoveries from around the globe. Comment below, what rare coin should we explore next? Thanks for watching CoinXplore.